Hello everyone, this is Shobhit Gupta and I am here to give you some question answers on the chapter Business Environment and the topic which I covered in this question sheet number 1, that is nature, concept and importance of business environment. तो जो दो टॉपिक हम लोग ने थर्ड चैप्टर में अभी तक डिस्कस किया जो था कॉन्सेप्ट नेचर फीचर्स ऑफ द बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट एज वेल एज द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ द बेनिफिट ऑफ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट, तो उसी से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं. यू हैव टू डू इट इन योर कॉपी. वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 marks each. Question number 1, the understanding of business environment enables the firm to identify the opportunities. What is meant by opportunities here? Question number 2, the understanding of business environment helps the manager to identify threats. Full stop. What is meant by threat here? Question mark. Question number 3, business environment includes both specific and general forces. Full stop. List any 4 specific forces. Question number 4, as a foreign tourist visited India, he noticed that Indian market taste, trends and regulations were different from that of his country. Full stop. Which feature of business environment is reflected here? Question number 5, do you think business environment is a relative concept? Question number 6, state the difference between general and specific forces. Question number 7, technology is improving day by day. Which features of business environment is highlighted in the given statement? Question number 8, Maruti Udyog Limited became the leader in the market of small car segment. Full stop. State the significance of business environment which is highlighted in the given case. Question number 9, demand for LED TVs are increasing day by day. Full stop. Thus, TV manufacturers have started making LED TVs instead of LCD. Full stop. Identify the significance of business environment being portrayed in the given case. Question number 10. Give a practical example which shows that the study of business environment enables a firm to identify the opportunities. Full stop. Question number 11. Nothing can be said that with certainty about the factors of business environment. Full stop. Why? Question mark. Now, short answers types questions. Number 1, which carries 3/4 marks. State 4 examples of changes in business environment that affect business enterprise. Question number 2, what do you understand by business environment? Question number 3, what is meant by business environment? Explain dynamic nature and uncertainty as features of business environment. Question number 4, does study of business environment help in maintaining image in market? Question number 5, it is usually observed that changes in technology, products, taste and preference of consumers, regulations, government policy, interest and inflation rates takes place frequently in the market. Explain. Question number 6, explain 2 features of business environment. Question number 7, environment provides both constraints and opportunities. Comment. Question number 8, business environment or environment scanning helps in the identification of threats and early warning signals. explain. Question number 9, enumerate the various ways in which managers respond to change in the business environment. Long answers types question carries 5/6 marks. Question number 1, explain by giving any 4 points why in the present day of competitive markets it is essential for a business to remain alert and aware of its environment. Question number 2, how would you characterize business environment? Explain with examples the difference between specific and general environment. Question number 3, why is the understanding of business environment important for managers? Explain with the help of any 4 points. Now these are the questions जो कि बेस्ड है पास्ट ईयर्स के क्वेश्चंस में भी. तो सारे क्वेश्चंस पिछले 10 ईयर्स में भी पूछे गए हैं. सो काइंडली सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को पढ़ लेना, सॉल्व कर लेना और जो डाउट होगा वो पूछ लेना. नाउ टुमारो आई एम गोइंग टू अपलोड अ वीडियो रिगार्डिंग ऑन द टॉपिक 2 ऑफ द चैप्टर 3 डायमेंशन ऑफ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट. तब तक के लिए प्लीज़ पढ़ो, जो डाउट होगा पूछ लेना. थैंक यू.